Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I had to do this hot video for you guys because this is freaking beyond unbelievable. I know you guys, man, I'm telling you, this is our scalping group from the Signal service, and it's just absolutely amazing. Just absolutely amazing results, and I'm very happy for what was able to be accomplished by the scalping group. As you can see, they have done over, and this is the wins. I'm gonna go over each one of these columns so you can see that they have been recording their results from February all the way through December. Okay, February through December, and this is what they recorded. So as you can see here, as far as the wins, I'm gonna start there to celebrate what they've accomplished. 191 wins, scalp, and these are all scalping trades. This is separate from the signals that were sent out, but this is just and it's all one and the same, because once you join the signals group, it's all one and the same. You get signals, plus you get to go to the live scalping group as well, but this is just a celebration for them. So 191 wins, over 214,000, I'm just say basically 215,000 pips. And you say, well, how did they do that? Basically, they primarily trade the indices, which spits out a whole lot more pips than the Forex market, but they do trade the Forex market as well. But primarily, that's how they did that. So that's just absolutely crushing it. So let's go through the numbers, though, from February all the way through December. These are the break-even columns. They had 19 break-even, so of course, no pips made there. They had 28 losses for a loss of 19,327 pips. So 28 losses, 191 wins, 214,000 pips. Total entries, including the 191, 28, and 19, that gives you 238. Total pips, there you go. So if you do 214 minus the 19, that gives you 195,656 approximate pips. 7% break even, 12% loss, 82% increase on their portfolios across the board. That's just dominating the market, I'm telling you. Now, let me go to a couple of questions that typically will come in. Are they live? Yes, the classes when they're scalping are live during the week, and you'll see that schedule once you join. It's in there. Are they recorded? Yes, they are recorded for playback in case you can't attend. You can still see what they did in class and how they called the shots and called the trades and stuff like that. Is this a group total or individual? This is individual, because we don't ask people, well, let me see your portfolio. Well, how many pips did you get? This is more of what was called out during the group as far as the trade itself, and whoever took it did very well. Those, those who weren't live in the group, that's that. But you still could have made these pips yourself if you were in there. And last but not least, this is not through simplicity. You will get your own separate trading system for specifically scalping the market when you join. Okay, this is with Miss Jenny and the scalping group's trading system, which is separate from the signals and everything else. Okay, so once you join, make sure to get that trading system so it's specific towards scalpers. Okay, now in closing, let me say something that's very important. Now, I talked about this in class today for my simplicity students. I said that one thing that bothers me about people, the majority of people who come into the Forex market want to be or are attempting to be scalpers. Okay, that's just a fact. And as a result of that, majority of them do not ever go through getting mentored. Okay, so when you go and look and do your own research and see this for yourself, when you see high astronomical percentages of people who enter the Forex market who typically lose, here's the reason why. Because the majority of them come in trying to be scalpers, and they have no idea what they're doing. They look on YouTube, find a couple of little quick strategies, go live, don't even demo trade, just go live, and boom, they blown an account after account after account. Number two, they don't consider the broker spread, okay? And there's many other things you have to consider, which is a total different mindset from when you're day trading or swing trading or trading in stock market. So when you're looking at how many people actually lose in the Forex market, always look at how many of them are have tried to be coming into the market being scalpers. And you will see a clear correlation between the high number of people who come in trying to make quick scalping profits and the high number of people who are losing in the Forex market, which is upwards of almost, I think it's 90%, 92% of all Forex traders don't make money. Well, this is part of the reason why, because they don't pay to get mentored. So part of the signal service, even if you don't want the signals, that's fine. Just stick in the trading classes with the scalping leader. I know of no other person who's able to outperform this level to this level. I mean, and I work with people all over the globe. I don't know of anybody who's even come close to getting these results. And it's live, recorded, so nobody can say it's a scam, made up numbers or whatever else, because it's done in a live setting. Okay. But the point is, if you do want to come in and learn how to be a professional scalper, then pay the small little tuition that we charge on the little monthly fee and stick in there. And then you can always leave whenever you're done, whenever you feel like you got it, understand it, and you feel like, okay, I made it. Yeah, you can leave at any given time. But the point is, stick with learning from a earner who's earning it and doing it and been doing it for the last couple of years. Because you guys, this is just last year of 2021. This is not, we've been doing this signals group for 3 years now. Okay. For 2-3 years, 2.5, 3 years. Okay. And this is just from last year. So again, I'm just telling you, if you want to be a scalper specifically, not a day trader, not a swing trader, but a scalper, then come and join the signals group and learn from Miss Jenny so that you can get results and learn how to do it on a consistent basis. Okay. All right, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments.